Hello, welcome to a video on the difference quotient. Um, the first thing we'll do is we'll look at a website that talks about the difference quotient. You can actually access this website if you do a Google search on the difference quotient and click on the first link that appears. So you'll be taken to something like this. And here they actually show you how the difference quotient is computed. They give you an example function. Here they have f of x equals 3x squared minus 5x plus 4. And the difference quotient is defined as f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. The purpose for the difference quotient is to find the slope of a secant line through 2 points on the graph of f. So that's when you have a graph or some curve, you pick 2 points and draw a line connecting those 2 points. The slope of that line can be found using the difference quotient. A more useful application is helping to define the derivative when you're in a calculus course. The derivative is a very important thing that you'll deal with in calculus because it helps you to understand rates of change, which is an essential part of calculus. But for now, we'll strictly talk about how to find a difference quotient. So we'll actually work out this example you see right here, step by step, so you understand how this works. So again, the difference quotient is this: f of x minus h, f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. That right there is the difference quotient. And then if we actually look at the function, f of x equals 3x squared minus 5x plus 4. So what I'm going to do when computing, and I don't know why I keep doing that, when computing the difference quotient, is I'm going to substitute for f of x plus h, substitute for f of x, and of course put h in the denominator. So there's 3 things that we need to worry about here. Now for f of x plus h, think about what that means. That means I'm going to replace the x here with x plus h. So it means that all the x's also get replaced with x plus h. So when I work this out, I'm going to have 3 parentheses x plus h squared minus 5 parentheses x plus h plus 4. And I'm going to put a bracket around it just to protect f of x plus h. So all that I just wrote in orange is f of x plus h. I took the function f of x, 3x squared minus 5x plus 4, replaced x with x plus h. F of x is what it is, 3x squared minus 5x plus 4. So I'm going to write that down as well. And again, I'm going to protect it in brackets. And the bottom, I'm just going to have h. So we keep working it out. So you have 3. And remember, x plus h squared has to be FOILed. There's really no other way we can go around that. And remember, x plus h squared is x plus h times x plus h. That's what you do here. Work it out, you should get 3 terms. Substitute the negative 5 into x plus h, negative 5x minus 5h plus 4. Substitute the minus into the second group, negative 3x squared plus 5x minus 4. And the bottom, you just got plain h. So basically, from here on out, it's all algebra or simplifying. And actually, we already did some algebra when we had to FOIL x plus h. So I keep working it out. I get 3x squared plus 6hx plus 3h squared minus 5x minus 5h plus 4 minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 4. Our hope is that we can cancel out the h in the denominator. And we actually should have no problem doing that, because then you can see that the 3x squares cancel, the negative 5x cancel, 4, negative 4 cancel, and so we're left with 6hx plus 3h squared minus 5h all over h. I can factor out the h from the top. If you can't factor out the h, you're probably doing something wrong. h's cancel, and so the difference quotient was 6x plus 3h minus 5. Now, the h is kind of a nuisance, but when you take calculus, you'll actually know what to do with the h. But what we've done right here is actually found the derivative of 3x squared minus 5x plus 4, or basically found the rate of change for that function. And of course, it depends on what is x and h, but I'm not going to get into that. So that is your answer, and that's how you find the difference quotient.